rebuild Michael Marcel's car after Barber?
Yeah, you know, Barber was really bad for both of our cars, but the 97 car took the brunt of it, and it was absolutely destroyed. There was nothing really salvageable from that car. Brought it back to the shop. The guys double-teamed it back to Amesbury. Brought it back to the shop, and I went to Kevin Holmes, who's been with me for 3 years now, and I said, Kev, can you get this car rebuilt, or can you build me a new car? And he said, I'll do my best. And 16 days later, working weekends and nights, Kevin Holmes and his guys got it done. So it's awesome to see the car running in the top 10 now, but it's a long race yet to go.
Well, Forrest said was giving you a hard time earlier, saying, why can't teams finish a car in the 4 months of the off-season, but you guys, when you're pressed, can do it in 16 days? What did you say to him after that?
Well, you know, now that Forrest has a BMW dealership, you know, BMW Marietta, and oil changes seem to take him 30 seconds. I guess he's the expert.
Well, Turner Motorsports looking strong today. Looking for the first top 5 of the year, right?
I'm Oda looking strong in ST as well. The Mazda Speed 3's running good. Chipper, welcome back to the series, filling in for Taylor Hackard. I know that sad to see Taylor not here, but a great job by you. How was it getting back in the car, especially under these difficult conditions?
You know, with iMoto, they've got a great car. Mazda put the Mazda Speed 3 under me, which is awesome. I raced with iMoto and Glenn 8 races last year. It was like riding a bike. You know, I just had my 2 girls last week. My wife, I at home, and you know, Taylor's at home healing up. I'll fill it in for him. If you're bringing a checker home for him, would be just, you know, just extra awesome for him. So, hey, Taylor home, and wish you could be here, buddy. Just my teammate and friend.
Well, Chippy T is what they call him now. Chip T. Hurd doing a great job today. They'll see if they can get that iMoto Mazda Speed 3 back up to the front.
Well, talking about Mazda and Speed 3 iMoto at the front, Pierre Klein-Newbeck has taken his start at the front. And you may remember at the top of the show, this time came to a stop pre-race. It needed to get towed back in and had trouble got going again. This has been an incredible drive from those guys.
It's fantastic. Of course, they had the win and they told a break down to the wire, but ridiculous. This afternoon, you're going to see a lot of them. So what you can do is soften the car up so they adapt to those wet, slick conditions. Well, when the track dries out, you no longer have the platforms available to you. That will hurt your lap speed. So let's see what happens. Look at this. Forrest roughing it up here through turn 5.
Mixing it up with Alex Popov, one of the drivers involved in that horrendous turn 1 accident at Auber Motorsports Park 2 weeks ago. Pressure on Matt Plum, but he's handling it nicely. There's less than 1 second between the Rump Bump Porsche and the Turner Motorsport BMW with Bill Oberlin. Then Billy Johnson, Dave Empringham has that Porsche up for 4th. Joey Atterbury for Mitchell is up there in 5th. Then Espenlahl, Archabach, Shelby Blackstock taking over from Jay Buford, switching up their qualifying roster. And then Hugh Plummer. Then we saw that little bit of roughing up there between the Turner car and the Popov Mustang, vying for a top 10 spot. Still so much to go, an hour and 20 left here at Homestead, and the weather is still hanging around.
Race day revs up in Darlington. After a controversial day at Dustin, Danica's back. Is the lady in green ready to tangle with the lady in black? NASCAR Race Day, fueled by Sunoco, today at 4:30 Eastern, live on Speed.
It is said that passion is the genesis of racing. It's what propels us forward, pushes us further and faster, to exceed our own limitations. The continental time, our passion They might say it's the voice-activated infotainment system, the heat-cooled seats, the panoramic sunroof, the 3500G, or they might just say, hold on tight, muchacho. The 274 horsepower turbocharged Kia Optima, not your average midsize sedan.
Sunday, New Jersey's scorched blacktop becomes the battleground. Rolling tests of stamina and speed.
That's how we do it, baby.
The Rolex Sports Car Series New Jersey, Sunday at 1 p.m. Eastern. Live on Speed.
Do you long for a more lush, green, and healthy lawn? Well, here's the secret that every professional groundskeeper knows. Aeration. And now you too can have a perfect lawn at home with the new DR Lawn Aerator. The DR is the only home aerator that extracts pores like this to relieve compaction, improve root health, and soak in water and nutrients. Only DR makes professional aerating this easy. It's just like mowing your lawn. So get behind a DR Lawn Aerator and get the lawn you've always wanted.
To learn how you can save up to $200 and get free shipping on a DR Lawn Aerator, call 1-800-815-5812. We'll rush our free information kit with details about how you can try a DR at home for 6 months. Call 1-800-815-5812. Online at draerator.com. DR is professional power done right.
A quick programming reminder about the Spanish Formula 1 Grand Prix tomorrow morning at 7:30 Eastern, 4:30 Pacific. You'll have to get up a little bit earlier. Massive occasion, of course, for that man there, Fernando Alonso, his home Grand Prix. We've had different winners, we've had different championship leaders. It's been an incredible start to the F1 season. We're back, Sports Cars on Speed, the Continental Tire Sports Car Challenge, and look at this, is a good run here. The B-positive BMW Q-Pom on the inside of Joey Atterbury. That's Shelby Blackstock at the bottom of the screen in the red Mustang. These guys have been going at it hard.
Joey Atterbury got on the radio back to his pit crew a little while ago and said, hey, something's going wrong with our car. Step on the banking and we have any power. You saw right there, the Q-Pom just went right by as the lap before. Shelby Blackstock Mustang went by that scenario as well. He's good on the infield, Cal.
Yeah, he's really good. The car's been really good here today. And again, we talked about that Camaro potential at the opening of this show. And you see we have these little problems that are really filling their chances of getting back to the win column. So here we see Q-Pom driving through the field with a 6-driver tie for the lead in this championship. You can see they've been in the water a little bit earlier today as the driver's side door is all taped up. They're not sure it's going to hang on for the rest of this event.
I think hard and fast on that side.
Let's switch from GS or Grand Sport to ST and let's go to Freedom Autosport.
Well, it was Tony Stewart who came from the back on 3 different occasions last November to get the championship, but today it was Derek Whitus and Tom Long who come from the back. Derek, we see these great runs from the back. Why do we see that here in Homestead?
Well, we got lucky with some weather, and even though it's a speedway, the weather's slowing everybody down. Plays into the Mazda's hands. We're a better braking car. We've got better handling. That definitely helped us. Unfortunately, it's drying out, which isn't going to help us. I think the cars with more power are going to come back. But either way, we're lucky. We're happy to be here thanks to the men and women of our armed services around the world who have been protecting our freedom for the last 237 years.
Hold those Mazdas and in-car cameras so they provided a good show for us today, Brian.
Well, Chris, the Kia is putting on a good show as well. Andy Lally right now watching Nick Johnson flash by. And Andy, for you, you guys running second in the championship, but I can't believe you're old enough that you actually finished on the podium today. It'll be your 100th podium finish in Grand American competition.
Don't jinx it yet for me. We've got a lot of time left here, but Nick's out there running really strong. I think we're in a good position. We've done our final stop, I hope, and might be number 100. That'd be pretty amazing. I owe a lot to Grand Am. I've built a lot of my career around this series, and I've been very fortunate to run with some good teams and some great teammates over the years. And 99 podiums up to today is a pretty neat feat, and I got a lot of people to thank for that. So now I'm just going to lean on Nick on the radio here. Maybe he'll do the heavy work for me while I get to relax and chill out, and hopefully he can stick it and help me for podium number 100.
We just went full force caution for number 11 smoking, but the number 10 Kia should be good to go all the way to the green. They got, or checker, I should say. They've got plenty of fuel on board.
Fourth full force caution, and this is the Colicchio Mustang that we saw involved in an incident at Barton Motorsports Park just a month ago. 4 full-course yellow, and this will be seen to, we will clean things up. Meanwhile, there's a tremendous scrap going on in ST between Jensen Klein-Ewing, and there's a couple of Hondas that have arrived on the scene with Ryan Eversley and Owen Sprinkler. So we will keep an eye on that. ST has been intense today, and let's not forget the overall battle as well. Look at this. It has been tough in the street tuner class. You've got to be tough to survive.
It's time for the Polaris XP sales event. Sportsman XP, Ranger XP, Racer XP, 3 extreme machines, 1 extreme event. Get up to $1,000 in rebates and financing as low as 3.99% on select